is quite a bit of water. Good morning. It is Friday the 16th of January and I'm here in front of Dream World. I showed you the Siam amazing park last year, but today it is time for the second attraction park in Bangkok, and this is Dream World. Dream World is a little bit more north in the city. It took me about 1.5 hours to get here with the train and with the taxi, and I will write down how I did it. But let's first get our tickets and then we go inside. So I booked a voucher online, but if you come here at the ticket booth, it's 1,000 baht and I paid around 750.
This is the ticket for unlimited on the ride, this one. Except for the food, you have to buy separate inside.
Yes.
So no charge include you already start from 10 to 4 and the Grand Canyon start 11 to 4:30. Today we don't have show, the show have only the weekend, the Saturday, Sunday only.
Okay.
Here, you can enjoy this one. The one is not working, only one, the cable car is closed for maintenance. Okay, for the ticket, tipping to the staff at the weekend class, they have to put on earring for you.
Okay, thank you so much. ขอบคุณมากครับ
Have a good day.
So let's get inside. They told me that they have to put this on my wrist. Sawadee krab. Okay. Okay, ขอบคุณมากครับ So let's go in. So the reason I'm here on a weekday is because on a weekday it's not going to be that busy. The negative part is that there are no shows on a weekday. The shows are only taking place in the weekend. But I'm just here for the rides and I want to show you guys the atmosphere in here. So with this wristband I have unlimited access to all the rides in the park. Feels like we're in Bavaria, right? With the music. So let's go and explore Dream World. They have a few really cool rides and today I'm gonna visit them all. It's not busy in the park, so I can probably walk through everything. This already gives a good atmosphere. It gives the feeling like you're in a park, right? And this is definitely inspired by Alice in Wonderland. I hope we don't meet the Red Queen. So we're here on the main lake. In the back, it sounds like everybody's having fun, right? And what I said, this is the advantage of coming during a weekday. There are not too many people, so you can just easily visit the whole park. But if you want to see the shows, you have to come here in the weekend. So you guys know that I like trains, and there are plenty of trains in this park, even including a monorail. I do like how they made the whole decorations in here. So this is the Photopia. Photopia is basically an Instagram dream. So there are all kinds of nice locations where you can make your Instagram pictures. An upside down house, a shoe. I really feel like I'm in Bavaria with this music in the background. Well, it's a bit of a Neuschwanstein here, right? Here we have Kong. And that sounds like an amusement park. You know, when I was a kid, I loved to go to amusement parks. super splash. That is quite a bit of water. So here at Dreamworld you have a snow town where you can experience the cold. I feel like I'm in Squid Game again. So we're gonna get let into the freezer. Oh, ขอบคุณมากครับ Hey, up. Wow. This is something different. So everything is being provided. I have my jacket, I have my fancy shoes, I have a number. Let the games begin. Wow. It's actually cool to feel the proper cold of winter. And here they have a slope. If you don't have the full day pass, you can buy the tickets individually here as well. Besides the train, there is also a monorail, and we are next to the monorail station here, so let's go and take a little trip with the public transport here at Dreamworld. So you know that I like my BTSs and MRTs, and I found an extra Sawadee-Krap. So I found an extra new line in Bangkok. The monorail is actually a very nice way to discover the park. It's even slower than the yellow and the pink line. Let's see what the tornado has to bring. The Go-Kart also includes in the ticket that I have, but if you have a different ticket you have to pay 200 baht extra. So you have to be careful what ticket you buy. This is actually really cool. So I booked my ticket on the website of Dreamworld, and there you have a ticket that you basically have everything included. If you come here, it's 1,000 baht. I paid around 750 baht. I will leave the link in the description here, but we're not done yet. Let's go and continue our adventure here at Dreamworld. Reminds me of the kermis in Holland. Besides the bumper cars, you also have the bumper boats, and they are next to the roller coaster. So Dreamworld opened in 1993 and it's divided in 4 different zones. You have the Dreamworld Plaza, the Dream Gardens, Fantasyland and Adventureland. That sounds like fun. I showed you the main attractions in the park, but there is more. There are over 30 different attractions. So let me show you the rest of Dreamworld. I haven't tried the train yet, but if you come here, of course, you have to try out the public transport, and this way you have a good look on the park. Anyway, I'm gonna end my video right here next to the train tracks. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding Dreamworld. I had a great time staying here. If you want to go to Dreamworld, I would recommend you to go to their website, and then you can book the ticket that I had, the ticket with access to all the attractions. Anyway, if you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.